State police have launched a new rapid DNA analysis program. Following the Crozer debacle, state officials are denouncing private equity in healthcare. A snack mix has been recalled, and an extraordinary procedure was done for the first time ever. I'm Claudia Dimuro, and you're listening to Today in PA. The state police have launched a new rapid DNA analysis program, reports USA Today via the Erie Times News. The agency distributed technology to troopers across the state that will now allow investigators to test samples outside a lab, getting results in as little as 90 minutes. Troopers believe that these devices will help cops to solve cases more quickly, and it seems to be showing results already. An analysis on a blood sample in a case of ATM tampering got a hit in less than 2 hours. Said State Police Commissioner Colonel Christopher Paris via statement, quote, "This program represents significant advancements in our forensic capabilities." Following the recent closures of those Crozer Health hospitals in Delaware County, state officials are denouncing private equity's role in Pennsylvania's healthcare system, reports the Center Square. Many are afraid that, if hospitals are pushed into shareholder models, there's a risk in the longevity of an already struggling system. Just as many are calling for legislation aimed at reining in private equity getting its hands on the medical industry, including Governor Josh Shapiro. State Senator Tim Carney and Representative Lisa Borowski even announced companion bills last week that would allow for the state AG's office to better protect the interests of patients in its oversight of hospital system mergers and acquisitions. This legislation would also allow for the AG's office to, quote, prohibit healthcare leaseback agreements by private equity firms, require healthcare entities to submit detailed financial operation disclosures before completing major transactions, and allow deals to be evaluated on a case-by-case basis. Said Chair of the Delaware County Council, Dr. Monica Taylor, quote, "This is a simple story about greed. Prospect Medical Holdings came to town, brought Crozer, broke our healthcare system, and paid themselves hundreds of millions of dollars to do it." A popular snack mix has been recalled, states PennLive. According to a notice on the FDA's website, New England Village Foods' 19th whole snack mix is the subject of this recall due to undeclared almonds and sesame, which pose serious health risks to those with allergies. This recall affects Pennsylvania as well as the New England area and New York. For more information, like UPC codes, please click on the corresponding podcast article link. A team at Children's Hospital of Philadelphia and Penn Medicine just had a historic medical breakthrough, says CBS Local Philadelphia. 9-month-old KJ Muldoon has a rare genetic disorder, a urea cycle disorder, meaning his body can't break down protein. That means ammonia builds up in the body, which can be toxic to the brain and can cause permanent neurological damage. But that team at CHOP and Penn Medicine were able to, for the first time ever, use gene editing therapy, CRISPR animation DNA, which edited out KJ's original defective DNA and replaced it with an altered repaired sequence. CRISPR gene editing has been used before for other diseases, but this is the first time it's been tailored to one patient. And after starting treatment in February, it's working. KJ's condition has significantly improved. That wraps up today's episode. For even more news, drop by PennLive.com, and please don't forget to rate this podcast and to leave it an honest review as well. Thanks in advance, and as always, thanks for listening. I'm Claudia Dimuro, and we'll get back together tomorrow for another round of Today in PA.